Hey guys, Brian here. Welcome back to the shop. Back on the Audi head after receiving the one on eBay and finding out that, well, as soon as I got it, I opened it up and it was incorrect. It wasn't made for an engine with VVT like this one is. So I figured that would probably cause all kinds of problems. I mean, I wouldn't have minded just having it run on one setting all the time, but I figured if the engine couldn't see the solenoids, it would probably freak out. And I don't want to deal with all that hassle. So instead, I'm dealing with the hassle of putting this head back together. So what I've done is gone in and reground the one seat. Started putting this thing back together. It's not really my cup of tea, so it's a bit of a struggle, but I'm getting there. Got all the exhaust valves back in, and I got 4 intakes to go. So I've got one screwed down here, set up. And give you a chance to see me struggle with this. Little lawnmower size keepers are pain in the butt. I just have to get them up in there and place them with these picks. So close. One of the things about being a bigger guy with bigger hands, these little jobs really suck. That one went a lot better. Get lucky every now and then. I got my new valve seals in there. Of course, not until after I'd already put 2 valves in. I had to take them back out because I forgot them. I've put oil down in the guide, so these aren't dry. Well, that's pretty spectacular. I managed to keep all the keepers this project and not lose them. Got a head with no bent valves. Looks better than when it started anyway. Well, there's one last look before I slap the head back on here. I got the new gasket in place. Appears to be correct. Holes line up anyway, so. I'm going to talk about the rods being bent on that back one, but best I can tell it's not. It comes up as high as the others do in the block, so. And there's no damage in the area where it would pinch the ring. So I'm gonna hope it's gonna be as good as it was anyway. I'll get the head over here and get it slapped back on. So head is on and torqued. 40 Newton meters plus a quarter turn plus a quarter turn. That's what I found on the internet. That's what I'm going with. Should hold it on anyway. Now I got all these little intake dividers. I'll slip them back in there and see if I can't wrestle this intake back on. I think it'll be the next step. Get those fuel injectors back in. Or maybe I'll put cams on. I don't know.